take your plant-based ice cream, you remember okie dokie, add it to a microwave-safe bowl, microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute until it's a liquid. I'll take my vegan brioche bread or whatever bread you like, and you're gonna dip it into your melted ice cream. You wanna make sure that both sides of the bread are nice and saturated. Next, I'm just gonna add some vegan butter to a pan, and then I'm gonna turn my pan down to low heat. I'll add my bread, and then you're just gonna make sure that it's nice and golden brown on both sides. So you wanna flip it and then flip it again. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. I've got some diced strawberries here. Gonna go ahead and add a little powdered sugar, and then it's not French toast without syrup, so you gotta be sure to drizzle that on. And y'all, I'm not a French toast fan, but this right here, you guessed it, is poppin'.